How to buy crypto on Kraken. If you want to buy crypto on Kraken, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because for this all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Kraken app, and this is a type of interface that you will be able to see. Now from here what you have to do is to simply tap on the portfolio icon from the bottom right and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you come to the portfolio icon here, scroll down until you see it says buy crypto at the bottom. So tap on the buy crypto button right here. Now before you buy it, you must also make sure that you verify your identity. After you've done that, once you verify your identity and so on, you will be asked to enter the crypto you want to buy, the amount for the dollars that you want to exchange for, and then after that confirm with your payment method, and then you will be able to go ahead and then buy crypto on Kraken. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.